So in this video, I'm going to talk about finding the radius and the coordinate of the center of the circle using the circle equation right over here. And the question asks us, what is the coordinate of the center and the radius from the circle equation? And before we solve this question by step, I'm going to talk about the circle equation a little bit using the circle right over here. And we already know that radius, which is half of the diameter, this is radius, and I'll label this center coordinate into h, comma k. The h value should be the x coordinate, and the k value should be the y coordinate. But the reason why I don't write it into x and y, because I'm going to label size into x and y, and I want to be confused by it. And this is kind of a distance formula, but it is similar with the Pythagorean theorem. And if I were to make a right triangle right over here with the base, and there we go. And if I made this right triangle, and here's my right angle, it is similar with the Pythagorean theorem, and if I label this side x and if I label this side y, using the Pythagorean theorem's definition, hypotenuse square, which is r square right over here, is equal to x squared plus y squared. X squared plus y squared in this case. I need to write r squared a little bit on the left side to r squared. And this equation right over here, this kind of Pythagorean theorem, is similar with this equation right over here, which is a circle equation. And I need to simplify it a little bit more, and I can replace x. I can replace x into x minus h, because the point is h, but we went left, so we subtract h, and for y I can replace it into y minus k, because we went down, so it was going to be negative and negative k. And we made it, we finished labeling the size, and if you solve it a little bit, it's going to be equal to, if you replace x into x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equal to r squared. And if we write this a little bit, the h value right over here, and x minus h, and this is x minus h, which is at h value is a positive value, squared plus y minus k, and the k is a positive value either, and is equal to r squared. So we figure out that it is x minus h squared, just y minus k squared. So k is a positive value, as we see right over here. 7 is a positive and 8 is a positive value, and that means x and y value should be the negative. So if you write the coordinate right over here, the center of the coordinate, it will going to be x is equal to negative 7, which is opposite of the plus sign, negative 7, comma, y value, which is negative 8, the opposite of the plus 8. So negative 8, this is our coordinate for the center right over here. And it is equal to r squared, which is right over here, 4 over 9. But the reason we need to find the r, so we need to square it. We need to take square root of it. And it will going to be equal to, if I write it again, negative 7 comma negative 8 is equal to, let's see, square root of 4 over 9 is equal to square root of 4 over square root of 9. which is equal to 2 over 3. It's equal to 2 over 3. And we made an equation right over here. And we need to remember that the x coordinate, y coordinate should be always the opposite of the sign, plus or minus sign, the right side, which is in this case minus. So the x plus, so in the x value, we're gonna be equal to negative, like that. And for 2 over 3, it is equal to the radius value, and it is equal to 2 over 3. And if I simplify this equation right over here, I'll show you the process of the simplifying. So the original equation was x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equal to r squared. And we figure out that h was right over here, x plus 7 squared plus y plus 8 squared is equal to 4 over 9. And we can take square root of it to know the x value, y value, and also as well as the r value. And we're going to be equal to x plus 7 plus y plus 8 is equal to square root of 4 over 9, as we did in this case right over here. It is equal to 2 over 3. And we know that x value is negative 7, which is the opposite of the plus 7. And the y value right over here is negative 8, which is the opposite of the 8. And it's equal to 2 over 3. Right over here. And we solve for this radius and the coordinate of the center of this circle. And this was the example 1. This was Crazy Math. Simply subscribe to my videos.